So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. And here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the view menu. Then tap on settings in the top right corner. Then tap on account security. And here at the bottom we find delete your Temu account. You can tap on this, and if we are sure about this decision, we can tap on I want to permanently delete my Temu account, and then tap on continue to delete it permanently, as the sentence says. So yeah, if you want to delete our account, it's done like this. It cannot be taken back, so if you delete it once, it's deleted for forever, but this is a decision that you have to take. So yeah, guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.